All right, guys, as you guys can see, I got the two fans out. Now, my original thinking on this was when I actually spliced and put in the one plug that wasn't a match to the other plug. I was thinking to myself, they're both 6 cylinders. One's a hybrid, one's not a hybrid. What could be the difference? As far as, you know, voltage, fan speed, they're both designed to cool the engine and the condenser, right? For a 6-cylinder hybrid. Why would there be a difference in the fan except for maybe the plug, because one's a hybrid, one's not a hybrid? But as you guys can see, there is a difference. As you guys can see, this fan right here seems to have a bigger motor, a different sized motor. The motor looks different. As you guys can see the pattern on the motor, it's a little bit different from this. This seems to be a smaller motor. It seems to be a smaller motor. All right. Now, I wasn't worried about the plug, since one of the plug wasn't a matching plug to the one that is in the vehicle, that came with the vehicle. But it seems to me that the computer might be reading it as a different fan, and both fans are on all the time, etc., etc. So as you can see, the plugs are different too. The plugs are different on here. The plugs are different. The plugs are different. This motor seems to be bigger than this motor. Like, I don't know why they would do it that way. This motor does not have this one, but just the regular 6 does not have the two a spot for the two fan computers. This one does. So you know, me switching it out should actually just correct the problem with the fan, with the fans constantly on. On top of that, if you guys can see the blades on here, these blades are thinner. The ones on a non-hybrid are thinner than the ones on the hybrid. I don't know how much of a difference that makes. It probably will make a difference. It probably would. Well, no. I'm wrong on that, because the blades are different. The blades are different for each fan. This one has a bigger blade. Okay, the blades are pretty much the same. The blades are the same on here. The design pattern is different. The fans, this seems to have a bigger, the one that's supposed to fit into the hybrid seems to have a bigger fan. So if you guys ever run into this problem where you guys need a fan and you got to go to AutoZone and they say that they don't have the hybrid, and you think maybe the regular fan should work on both, you're gonna spend $200 on something that you probably need to correct later on, which is probably just to buy another fan. This fan from eBay cost me like $100, 116. This one cost me $220. There's no way I'm gonna be able to return this, even though AutoZone has one hell of a return policy on most things. But I wouldn't be doing it anyway, since I actually got 3 months use of it. You know, it's junk. It is what it is. Sometimes it happens. Sometimes it happens. That's the way it happens sometimes. It is what it is. And I did get about 3 months use of it. And it was a very, very, very hot summer. But I'm going to put this back in. If you guys have any comments, leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. Alright guys, take care.